Hi. So today I just wanna go off ramp. Datong. Adulting is hard. Hey, adulting is very hard. People like to say I'm strong, and truth is, but I'm not that strong. You know, I just hide my pain very well. I've become very good at that, and I think the other thing that helps me is that I've got very supportive friends around me, people who understand me, who, even when they see that I'm not okay, they reach out. Even when I pretend to be okay, they can reach out. No one is that strong. It's worse when you're one of these people. It's worse because you see it coming, and when you see it coming, you try to dodge it. The more you try to dodge it, the more you run into it. So I just want to say that you're not alone if you feel like life is hard, you're going through a lot. You see Tshegofatso, we forever smiling, we are forever doing all these crazy things. All of us are going through the most. We have just found a way to navigate through it, I I have my days, Linda, and I seem to get a lot of people thinking, oh, I have all this figured out. I don't, trust me. Some days I just wanna stay in bed, crawl crawl under the sheets and just lock myself away. So fortunately for me, the underground gang allows me to do that. I spend a lot of time alone, so I deal with my shit alone. But you're not alone. If you're going through something, you're not alone. You're in all this together. Just pray, meditate, play music, do whatever makes you feel better. I actually feel better when I'm reading. Most people know, the ladies of my club, they know when they come to me for advice. I want to give them a book. I recommend a book. Say, go and read this, and you come back to me. That's what I do. That's my coping mechanism. So I just wanted to say today that